Today we have something really exciting for you. We will show you how to bring emoji to life in PowerPoint presentation. Before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you keep getting such a informative videos. So let's start. Simply go to Insert tab, Shapes, select Circle, Size 16 cm and 16 cm. Shape Outline, make it no outline. Click on Shape Fill, select Color, right click, go to Format Shape, click on Shadow, select Inner Shadow from Present and increase blur size. Then close. Now let's make the eyes of the emoji. Go to Insert, Shapes, select Oval, Outline, no outline. Click on Shape Fill, select white color, size 5 cm and 5 cm. Duplicate, size 3 cm and 3 cm. Select black color, select both and press Ctrl Shift and drag to the right. Now let's make the emoji lips. Again go to Insert, Shapes, select Oval, size 7 cm and 7 cm. Shape Outline, no outline. Duplicate, increase width size, place here, select both, select Subtract from Merge Shape. Increase a little size, duplicate 2, select and select Flip Vertical from Rotate. Set it like this. Select both, select Intersect from Merge Shape. Click on Shape Fill, select red color. Select this and select black color from Shape Fill. Put on this. Select this and group. Again select this and group. Select this and group. Again select this and go to Add Animation. Go to More Emphasis Effect. Select Blink. Then OK. Go to Animation Pane. Timing. Start with previous. Duration 0.3 second. Very fast. Repeat 2 times. Then OK. Select this. Add animation. Select line. Effect option. Select right. Hold the arrow and set it like this. Go to timing. Start after previous. Duration 0.3 second, very fast. Go to Effect. Smooth start 0, smooth end 0, then OK. Select, click on Animation Painter and Animation apply this eye. Select this animation, take it to second number. Select this and start with previous. Select this group, add animation, select line, effect option, select right, hold the arrow and set it like this. Go to timing, start with previous, duration 0.3 second, very fast. Go to effect, smooth start 0, smooth end 0, then OK. Select circle, add animation, select line, effect option, select right, hold the arrow and set it like this. Go to timing, start with previous, duration 0.3 second, very fast. Go to effect, smooth start 0, smooth end 0, then OK. Select this, add animation, select line, set the arrow to the left so that the eye comes back into place. Go to timing, start after previous, duration 0.3 second, very fast. Smooth start 0, smooth end 0, then OK. Select this, follow the same as before. Select this, add animation, select line, set the arrow to the left so that the move comes back into place. Select both, timing, start with previous, duration 0.3 second, very fast. Go to effect, smooth start 0, smooth end 0, then OK. Select this and this, add animation, more emphasis effect, select blink, then OK. Timing, start after previous, duration 0.3 second, very fast. Repeat, select 2, then OK. Select this and start with previous and select this group, delay 1 second. Select this and this group and select start with previous. Now let's play the animation and see. So see friends, our emoji ready with animation. I hope you like our video. If you like the video, then like it, and if you are new to the channel, then subscribe and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.